Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be doing this coppery halo eye look, and yeah, if you guys wanna see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So starting off, I'll be using this vintage dawn eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty and going to take this dark brown color and going to take a pencil brush and apply this on my crease on a circular motion. And I'm going to take this light brown color from Friendcation palette. It's by Dose of Colors, and going to use a blending brush to diffuse the crease. And going to take the pencil brush to put depth on my inner and outer corners, and using the fluffy blending brush to diffuse it so it doesn't look too harsh. And using some concealer and going to draw squares on my eyes so we can achieve perfect halo eyes. So I'm using the blending brush and the pencil brush to back and forth create the depth so it doesn't lose its color. And going to take this gold eyeshadow from this Friendcation palette and going to apply it on the middle part of my lid. And the next color will be this coppery orange color from Vintage Dawn palette, and going to apply it on the outer corners of the squares. So yeah, it looks perfectly sunset kind of halo look. And I'm going to use this liquid eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution and going to pop this on my middle part of the eye so it looks more popping, I guess. And I'm going to use this lashes from Anywhooz lashes. It's called Electrawhooz. So yeah, I'm going to pop this on my eyes. I used duo lash glue. It's their brush on adhesive. And I'm using this Touch in Sol primer in No Poreblem. And the next part will be this foundation from Toofaced. It's called Born This Way foundation in praline, and also the Toofaced concealer, which is Born This Way also. It's in golden. And as you can see, I'm going to blend it out using this sponge as well, so it's gonna give more natural finish to the face. And I'm using this hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics and going to chisel out my cheekbones and going to put this on the forehead and on the jawline, so this makes my face look a lot more warmer. And I'm taking some translucent powder from Laura Mercier and going to put this on the under eyes, on the chin and on the jawline and on the forehead as well. So the next step will be this blush from Benefit Cosmetics. It's called Living the GAlifornia Gal Dream, and yeah, applying it on the apples of my cheeks. And using this highlighter from Laura Mercier called Iridescent and going to put this on the cheekbones and on the bridge of my nose, and smoking out my lower lash line with the fluffy brush. And yeah, I'm using the colors I used on my crease. So the last step will be this lip gloss from Anastasiabeverlyhills. It's called Undressed. And yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know how did you guys like this look, what color should I use on my next video, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.